Okay, we know what we're doing. It is night. As you can see up out there, it is night. But you know what we're doing? We going outside. Wait. Not yet. I gotta get a sweater. But we going outside, and at night. This is the first night we're going. Now I'm be doing with my phone stand. So yeah, I'm gonna get a sweater on first though. Pretty sure it's downstairs. But yeah. Hello, Coco. Hello. But yeah, we're going out at night, the first night. Thingamajiggy with my new stand on my e-bike. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. You already know. So yeah, we're gonna put on the stuff. We're gonna click it in. Yep, it's all gonna be good. Hopefully it's charged enough. I just went out with it. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it might be on like 3 bars, which is good. I don't know, I'm pretty sketched with this car right now. Wait, I'll be back. I'm pretty sketched with this car right now. It's just standing there, but 1 second. Okay. Oh, there is people riding bike. They might. Okay, I'm not thinking anything not positive. Okay, we got this though. As you can see, it is night. Pretty dark. But first night run. Kinda scared, there's a lot of cars. But like this car is just stopping. Oh, it's one of my friends, but apparently he's not responding. He's on call. Okay, it's the guy. Yeah, he definitely is sketchy. No license plate either. Sketch. What's up? Huh? Yeah, I'm making a video right now though. Do you mind? Do you mind? I'm making a video right now.
Can I wear your helmet?
Yeah.
I might have to adjust it.
Do you mind? Because it's gonna be on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you hold this for a sec?
Okay, bet. It'll fit you just if you want to
Wait,
adjust it.
Oh, it's gonna be really loose. Cheese. Where do I rip to?
Just go wherever.
So I could go around the full street?
Yeah, bet. Just meet me back here.
Okay. I'm gonna say something funny. Hello guys. Welcome back to a vlog. It's me, running around. Just got back from fishing. Caught nothing because it's fucking ass out there. I mean ass out there. I mean butt out there. So yeah, I'm curving around. I'm very sexy. I'm ripping on my friend's electric scooter. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. So like, yeah, make sure you hit like the follow button. Whatever the hell it is. Oh, I look stroking. Okay, my bad. Fuck you, Burger. Oh, I made the F you, Burger. Let's go to bed a little bit. I'm worried about biking. Shit is crazy. Rip. Okay. We're on 3 batteries, boys. We're fucking cooking. We're ripping up patties. Brakes don't really work on this thing. Then we're gonna rip down. Like that. So boys, that's the vlog of me going around the full street on Hunter's electric bike. Bye. Back to Hunter. Oh Jesus. Oh yeah.
Take for a rip.
You take another rip. I'll have to stay out for a little bit longer.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm just gonna bring up on it. I'll ask.
Yeah, I'm gonna go around the block once. I'll meet you back here if I'm not there. Yeah, bet that was one of my friends. Just taking my e-bike for a rip. I don't know what he said to you guys. I have to watch it back. He didn't say something sus. Yeah. Hopefully he did not say something very sus. I would not like that to happen. Time to chill. I never actually took a bite this night. I did go for plenty of bite runs, but not this late actually. This way, the short route, because he's waiting on me right now. That's actually cool though. 2 people in one video. I wasn't even planning that it was gonna be on. He used to have a YouTube channel, but I'm gonna show you. Yeah, there he is. There he is. There he is. Hey. Can you stay out longer?
Yeah, I can stay out till 9:45.
9:45. Bet. But yeah,
This is
say hi.
Hi. I want to ride it again.
You want to ride it again? Bet. Go get your helmet.
Can I wear yours?
Go get yours. Go get yours. I'm gonna go up the hill and ride back. Yeah, he's gonna get his helmet so he can ride it. I didn't know he was gonna be out this late. Apparently he was probably fishing because he got here. He got his fishing rod. It's actually crazy. I'm being safe. I'm not doing no handers. Sorry if the like street lights gets in your way like that. He's here now. He's gonna take it for another rip. See what it talks to you. But, you know, Bumbleclot. I'm I'm gonna follow you. I'm actually gonna like run.
Wait, where do I go? Where do I go?
Just go.
Yeah. Hello, young man. Hello. That's Hunter back there. You can see him. You can't really see him. Oh! Oh, that was sick. So, yeah, I'm back on the vlog. Hear that? That's the Polar Express. Trying to rip. So one time my friend Liam hit a wheelie on this. Wasn't the best, but like he overlooped and it was sick. So I'm gonna try to do that. You never know, I might loop out, I might kill myself, bro. But like, who gives a shit? Wait, I want to try to ride on a sidewalk. Ugh. Too fast. It feels so weird because I'm going up on a sidewalk. Oh God. Oh God, that was scary. I don't fully trust this thing yet.
Wait, can we do something? Sure. Can we do where I'm on the e-bike, I come along, and I'm gonna do like a skit. So I come along, and you ask to try my e-bike. I'm gonna pretend I don't know you. We're gonna be like, ask for my e-bike. I'll take it, take the phone, and then you're gonna zoom off with it. I'm gonna act like you're stealing it.
Okay.
Yeah, bet. Okay. So I'm gonna go.
When are you posting this on?
YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah, bet. Yeah, bet. But okay, ready? I mean, okay, I guess. Not for long though. Okay, bro.
Okay.
Wait, let me get this. Okay, bro. Sit. Hey! Come back! Hey, come back! Come back! Okay, bet. Okay, come back. Come back. Bet. Bro. Bet. Okay, see you guys. Bye.